Hey guys, it's Frederick. I know I haven't uploaded in ages. So I had a lot going on. My daughter was born, so I had to spend like the first 3 to 4 months with my baby girl, and also had a lot of stuff to sort out. I haven't touched the car, so you guys haven't missed anything. I did manage to get a car back, and the sad story about this car. Let me turn. The sad truth about this car is, yeah, it just breaks my heart. In 2021, I bought this Fiesta as a junk pile. I made 2 videos of this car, just pictures because I didn't really record back then. I designed this body kit, or got it designed, 3D printed it, slapped it on the car. I stripped this car to a bare shell and basically replaced all the rat infested damaged interior, cleaned everything out, pressure washed it, got this car like to a state where we can build a nice, I can't say race car, but just like a nice style car to have fun with. So I built the engine for it. Also, engine was done like a 1.5 years ago, and because this car was sent to panel beaters far from here, and they were supposed to smooth out the body kit and mold it, cast it, and then the first cast will be fitted on the car would get painted, and then basically come back. Then I can just slap in the engine and gearbox and enjoy the car. But the guy got sick and a lot of things happened, vice versa, and the car was just left in a garage for about 2.5 years, and unfortunately suffered severe damage again. Mice all over again. Mice destroyed the interior and probably everything I've done they've ruined, and the body kit was never developed or printed or designed to be left on the car for 4 years. Basically, it was only designed to be maybe done within the period of me finishing it and then getting it molded, and then the actual cast that will go onto the car would have been done, but that never happened. So I'm honestly devastated, especially how this car ended up. As you guys know, I ended up putting this engine of this car in my blue car. I sold that car. Had a lot going on, and now I'm back with this. This smell hits you like right in the face. So basically, the seats got charred all over again. I'm not sure about the wiring, but you can see everything is just mouse poo everywhere. Everything got infested. Oh, I can't even stick my head in here, so strong is the smell. It's basically bad. So I honestly don't know what to do with this car anymore. I'm so devastated. This piece also seems to broken loose, so I don't know if it was bumped or I don't know, guys. So I'm honestly devastated on the condition of this car and how it ended up. It breaks my heart. So now the question is, what do we do with it? Do I basically start from scratch, strip out the interior, redo everything inside the car, finish the body kit, get it finally molded and casted so we can build the car we always wanted? A lot of things changed. For instance, I don't have an engine and gearbox for this car anymore. So if I decide to actually build this car, I was considering putting a V6 in here, and I do know it basically means I'll need to cut the car, so which I'm willing to do. I have a nice Ford Sierra XR6 on my dad's farm with a very clean original engine. So I'm honestly thinking about, I've got loads of subframes. I don't want to cut this clean subframe. And besides, if we take out the heater box, we've got so much room in the bulkhead where we can cut away for the V6. So my question to you guys is, how do you feel about a rear wheel drive V6 Ford Fiesta ST150 with a wide body kit? So I can take the whole rear differential from the Sierra. I can mount it in this car. I can do all the modifications. We can cut the tunnel if we really need to. Probably gonna have to. I can cut the Sierra's tunnel out and actually weld it into this car. So we've got a nice flush original finish in the center console side. And yeah, we can push the engine bit slightly more back because the dash is so big. We can basically go halfway underneath that dash. We can mount the engine almost. So like a nice custom mid-engine car. Or we can just get another 2.3 engine. I do have a 2.3 that needs to be built, but I still need to buy a gearbox. I don't have the lock set for the car, the cluster, ECU, BCM, all that's missing. The RS wheels for the white sport is finally getting off to sandblasting, so we can finish those. But yeah, so I don't know, guys, let me know. Do we take out everything again, clean it all over from scratch, and while it's out we cut the bulkhead, the tunnel, we do a custom subframe for it in the front to support the V6 engine. We slap a nice Type 9 gearbox with a V6 and a Sierra diff at the back. I like the suspension of the ST150, the disc brakes and stuff, but luckily the Sierra also got disc brakes at the back. We can actually take the entire Sierra front subframe as well if you really want to, and the suspension. So we've got a lot of options to look at. I'm thinking if we can fit the Sierra subframes in here, we can keep the wheelbase on both sides the same. And as far as I know, the Sierra is already wider, so we can keep the spaces, or we can actually cut down on the spaces. We'll just have to decide what's going to be the easiest. But for now, the body is the most important. Do we finish with the body kit? Do we just rip it off and call it a day? Put like stock bumpers back, which sucks. So yeah, this is just going to be a short one. There's nothing much to see. Car's rat infested, interior got destroyed, everything is chowed, car stinks and reeks like mouse urine. The body kit is cracked and damages everywhere, so we're gonna have to basically redo a majority of the work. I still want to put 19s or 20s on this car, so we still have to have a look at the PCDs and the hubs, because finding 19s in 4x108 is impossible. So yeah, I know this is not the video you guys wanted to see. A lot of people want to see the progress on the Escorts. We will be jumping back into it. I got my very messy garage here for you guys to see. It's still a mess, nothing's changed. There's the old head of the blue GLE. Here's the replacement head for the GLE, which is ready to go. We still got the fuel injection system for the white one. I don't know if I showed on camera, but the only thing I've basically done to it is I took off the sport wing. I just loosely fitted this, it's not bolted on, and we fitted a XR3i steering wheel. I don't have a center cap, so any leads would be nice, or I can just 3D print one. And we fitted a clock like from the XR3i, but otherwise I haven't touched this car. This one I haven't worked on it yet. I took out the spoiler. I can't remember if it was in the last video. The replacement valance is fitted on the car, but nothing's welded yet. So I did record a bunch of videos of it, but I don't know, between my old phone and now the videos got lost, or it's a hassle to get to them. So I'll just update you guys on the next video. And it kind of sucks. I'm also not very happy about it. My heart's broken about this car. Like honestly, I nearly cried last night when they dropped off this car. Like honestly, I nearly cried. I still haven't even eaten. I lost all my appetite. I haven't even touched anything to eat. So yeah, that'll make this full of a bummer of a video. Still got a lot of things to do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are we gonna fix this poor mess, or are we gonna scrap it, cut it up, do something else, or spend some time on the XR3s? I can get guys to do the bodywork. The guy that did my fiberglass kit can finish this kit off. Now about 3 o'clock to have a look on the car, give me his input, how much he's going to charge me to finish this body kit and get it molded. So I think if we can get this whole car, the body kit finished and in primer, then it's going to be way easier to make a decision. But I'm honestly contemplating on, was that the right word? Sorry guys, I'm Afrikaans, not really English. Contemplating if I'm going to drop a V6 in here. I've got a beautiful 3.4 liter V6 and a Type 9 gearbox, and I honestly won't care cutting up this car. And if we take out the whole heater box, because I don't even think I'm going to keep interior, so I'm probably going to keep the carpet out. I might not put a carpet back, maybe not. But if we pull that heater box at the back there out, we've got so much space for a big engine. Same with the center, the tunnel. We can cut that whole section out and we can fit a Sierra's tunnel. I've got a nice Sierra I can cut up for a tunnel. And the nice thing, if we cut the whole big end of the tunnel out, we've got gearbox mountings that's already good to go, which is an extra bonus. And then we can just probably use a stock gearbox mount on a Sierra. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it could be a fun project. The car's junk either way. It needs a lot of work. It's not really worth saving. I'm already like emotionally destroyed about this. But yeah, maybe we can turn this into something nice. But yeah, let me know guys. I am truly interested in what you guys think we should do with this.